What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back once again with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. And in today's video I'll be unboxing the 2019 23.7 inch LG UltraFine 4K. So without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get talking about pricing and availability. So here in the UK, the LG UltraFine 4K comes in at around £629. Whereas if you're in other parts of Europe, you may be looking at up to €749, or if you're in the US, you're looking at around $699. If you are interested in seeing the review of the previous model, then be sure to click the card in the top right corner. Now, interestingly enough, the previous model had a 21.5 inch screen and had a pixel resolution of 1496 by 2304, while the new model has a 23.7 inch display, but the actual resolution is slightly less at 3840 by 2160. But all this means is that the pixel density has actually been reduced. So on the previous model, you was looking at a pixel density of around 219 pixels per inch, whereas with the new model, you'll be looking at 185. But enough about that, let's crack the box open and see what comes included with the new monitor. And very similarly to the unboxing experience of the previous generation, all you have included in the box is the display itself, followed up by a separate box which holds everything that you'll need to get up and running. So one of the first items included with the display is actually your documentation, and one of the first pieces of documentation is your quick start guide. Now the quick start guide holds all the important information with regards to all the pieces that come with this display, along with of course how to set it up. The next item is of course some details on your 1-year warranty, along with some health and safety and regulatory information. Next you have the VESA adapter, which will allow you to mount this display to an arm and even the wall. And next up we have the included cables, which include a 1 meter long USB-C cable, a 2 meter Thunderbolt 3 cable, along with the power cable. The final item included is of course the display itself. Now this has the stand pre-installed, which makes it faster and easier to set up as no assembly is required. That is, unless you want to mount it to an arm or to the wall. And that's all that comes in the box. As you can see, the display has a lot of soft packaging around it, and once that's all been removed, we get our first look at the shape and the design, which is almost identical to that of its predecessor. So then guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the like button, and if you are new around here, then why not subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload my next video. I will be sure to post my review on this product very soon, and if you guys want, I'll also compare it to the 2019 5K Model 2. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.